Hello, thank you for joining me today, and I'm going to share with you this junk journal that my friend Kim made. And I have to say, this is an absolutely amazing junk journal, not only because it's just fabulous inside, but also because this was a swap item. Okay, my friend made 20 of these, and so I'm going to show you mine. I have filled mine and I'm almost done filling it. I still have some journaling to do, but I have almost completely filled mine, and I've got some big chunky charms in mine, which I don't think everybody will have. So mine is a little chunkier, and I did have to use some bigger rings, about a quarter of an inch bigger, just to so I could turn the pages easier. So I think I'm gonna find some ribbon to put on here as well, so because the rings are so much larger. And this is a little button on a dangle that with my name on it that I got from the retreat. And so I'll tell you right now, this was a crafting cruise that I went on, and so that's therefore the theme of the of the swap. And on the inside, everybody's had, you know, the ocean, beach, cruise theme. The actual covers, what she did was she went to a used bookstore and she found a case of Hardy Boy mystery novels. And so, that was just, enough that in 20 uniform sizes and that she was able to use. Mine happens to have a Phantom Freighter title, so I'm keeping my Hardy Boy cover, but if somebody doesn't like the Hardy Boy cover, they can always go back and cover and put some cruise items on here. Um, and then she's got this cute ribbon. She just punched holes here and put the ribbon in. And so here we go. So this little tag in this clear plastic pocket, I haven't documented yet. I'm going to put the actual dates of the cruise that I went on here, and maybe the ship. I haven't decided. I mean, there's other places that show what ship I was on, so I might just put the date here. I'm not sure. There's already another spot in the back of the book for my name, and so I probably won't do that here, but I put these sequins in, and I probably will take some out because it's just a little too much for this tag. Um, and then this little charm was on a paper clip here. And this is her signature. She always puts a B on all her projects, somewhere on her projects. That's her little signature. And so here I will point out some of the things that I added on, and um, but most of the book is pretty much how she made it. So I, of course, added on this. I flew Southwest, and so I added on this little envelope piece here. This is a sticker from my stash, and this tag was in this pocket already, and I did the whole, get the little charm in every port thing. So, if you don't know what that is, you can look it up and find out about it. And this was a sticker from my stash, and then I journaled on the back of this tag. This tag here was from one of the members. It was a swap item, so I got this cute little tag in here. And then also this is a close-up of one of the swaps that I made. I made tins, and I have them on my channel if you're interested in looking how I made them and what they look like. But I made these tins to hold bottles of sand from every port, and this is a close-up of one of my tins, and I had it made into a postcard. They cut the top off a little bit, was kind of annoyed, but I made it to a postcard, and then I journaling on the back. So that's a fun way to document pictures and journal at the same time, to have them made into a postcard and then journal on the back. So that's a fun idea. And then this is us on the plane, and I made it because she almost missed the plane. And I know I'm giving her such a hard time about it. She's going to be sick of me. And I'm going to cover these pages up because these are my journaling pages. And I've just put the airports and the times on here. And then some more journaling here. This is a picture that I took. I went on Royal Caribbean, and this is a picture of our ship that I took from as when I first entered into Labadee. And I thought the picture turned out really nice. So and it was a good picture of the ship we were on. So I wanted to document that. And then if you're familiar with Royal Caribbean, they have these newsletters called the Cruise Compass. And so I've cut them up and included them in my journal. So every day on the back there's an itinerary, and I use these boxes with the day and the date and the location, and I put them in various places in my journal. And this welcome aboard came from the envelope that our sea pass was in, you know, the card that you get that's also your room key. And this is my boarding pass, and I journaled on the back. And this is just my luggage tag and some other stuff. And this is a tag that came from one of the swaps we got, and I have in this envelope the daily snapshot. Now these daily snapshots have all the brief information of what's going on that day. So it would have the departure of the ship, or the time you have to be back on board, the forecast, the temperature, the winds, the sunrise, sunset, information like that are on these daily snapshots, and they were on the front right of the Cruise Compass newsletter. So I cut all those out, and this one I meant to put on the front of this library card, and I was going to journal on the back, but I just was on the phone and I messed up, so I didn't get that done. And so I just have, you know, some personal information here about our retreat and our cruise. And this is one of the little charms I got from Diamond International. And so this is going to go right back in here. And let's see if I can get this paper clipped down right. There we go. And this little is the date that came from right here. I didn't do that on all of them because I didn't want to do redundant, you know, dates twice on every page, but I just wanted a little bit of color there, so I put that there. And this envelope here has, now I'm not using this as a photo album, but I am including a couple of pictures here and there, and I have a few more to put in, but this is to, you know, picture documents of some of the things I've journaled about. And it's a really long story, but I did document about getting my nails done, and it's a long story, so I won't go into that. But and then this is just my friend in the limo. It was her first time ever being in a limo, so we turned the disco lights on, and that's a picture of her in there. And I have a few more pictures that I will put in that has to do with journaling. And I can also journal on the back of those because I didn't use photo paper. I just used regular, or I used a presentation paper to print those out. And then this here, I want to show you, I'm just journaling in the tags here. And this is the Cruise Compass, the spotlighted shows. And I went to go see the show. So I'm going to put this on cardstock and journal on the back. And maybe put a picture, a little mini wallet picture on the back or something, or in with this tag in this pocket. You know, she just used various cute things. Like this really has nothing to do with the cruise, but she included, you know, little cards like this. And, you know, of course, everybody got different presidents. I happened to get 10 and 11, John Tyler and James Knox Polk. And let's see, I've got more journaling here. So this is where I put those boxes I was telling you about off the Cruise Compass. So day 3, and then we have this clear pocket with the pineapple in it. So I did add these 3 stickers here, and I just left it as is because I wanted this drop for the pineapple. And I put on here, those frozen drinks were so good because they really were. And this is my my name tag and from the retreat and the daily snapshot on the back. This is just washi tape. And then I had some cute little uh, stickers in my stash that I used for Cub Scouts, and I put this one on the front of the in the free space of the bingo. I thought that would be fun. And this is where I made a page with the cruise compass, and I took this section here for the front, and then you flip this over and that ends up being the back. And I highlighted the activities I participated in. Then on the morning activity, I took the itinerary and glued it onto this section here, which would have been the section here. I didn't like what it said here, so I just glued that part here. And it worked out good on this page. I wasn't able to do this like this on every page because the way the words and the paragraphs are different on each compass, obviously. I put a daily snapshot here. This is just a paper from the trivia game that I played. These are my answers and my score, which I did not win. I really stunk. And then, let's see, more journaling. And I haven't journaled on this yet. Let's see, I added this. I had these little Aruba and Curacao stickers in my stash, so I was able to put some of these. This is Aruba, and this is a little science card that came with the journal, but I put the stickers on the back here. And then this is a postcard that I purchased, and I put a picture of me at the beach. There's my feet after just being in the sand, and this is a tropical travelogue stamp, and I just put what beach I was at and some little information there. So I like journaling on the back of postcards. I think it's a fun idea. And then I got a brochure and a little map at the information desk when I went into Aruba, and so I cut out some of the pictures and put them on this on paper and put them in this photo sleeve. And this little pocket, I have some more journaling cards, and somewhere in these pockets I'm going to put the information of the longitude and latitude and the depth of the ocean and the miles that we sailed from each day. It was on the TV each morning on the cruise channel, so I'll put that in here. And another daily snapshot on the back of a business card of a restaurant that we ate at. Another postcard that I haven't journaled in yet. And this, I have one of the excursion passes or tickets, and I will journal more in here on a typed letter. And let's see, she's got so many cute little things in here. This is one I actually put in myself. I haven't decided yet if I'm actually going to use it because it's pretty bulky. It's taking up a lot of space. So if I have stuff to put in the pocket, I'll use it. If not, I'll just take it out. But this is one of the pouches from the Diamond International charms, and I took out the paper, put my own paper in, put some sequins in, and put the charm on the top to document that I participated in that activity of getting the charms from every port. And I didn't want to use the bracelets, so I'll use the chain for something else. I just wanted to put the charms in my book. And here's my little Curacao butterfly and a snapshot for that day. And she's got cute little flamingos top and bottom on this journaling page and this paper clip. And on the other side, I added this little fish sticker. She already had this washi tape down, and I thought that matched really cute. And then this is another one of the Diamond International charms. And they're really just really cheap charms from probably made in China or something, but it was fun. And especially for little girls, like that would be a really fun activity to do when you're in port. And this, I love this page. This is just a piece of tissue paper in this pocket, and then I glued this card on the top, and originally I had it in the full card form, but it kept flipping open and getting caught. And it's a junk journal, so I don't do magnets with junk journals. So I just cut, I have lots of journaling spaces, so I just cut the back off and put this on and added this washi tape and this feather. And this is a hand painted card on, it's watercolor. And so it was hand painted by a local artist. And this is a business card from a lady I bought a pendant that she made. And so if you look at Memories of Bonaire, I think you can find her website, and she has a Facebook page, and the information's all on the back. I didn't copy it down. I forgot to do that, but I think I can find her from Memories of Bonaire and look up jewelry and stuff. And she does have a video of how she makes her pendants, so it was really pretty. I got a seahorse. It was really cool. And these are just some postcards I have not journaled in yet. And then I don't even know where this sticker came from, but anyway, I got it on here, and then some more journaling in the tags here, and another postcard with a tropical travelogues, a stamp that I added to it. And this, yeah, this is a postcard that I bought. And on this page, this came with the journal, and I happened to get one of those crab charms at the Diamond International in one of the stores, so I wanted to put this on this page. And this is my wristband from a tour that I went on, and you have to wear the little wristband. So that's that. And another little tag with stickers from my stash. She had the bag and the tag in this little place here, but I had these stickers that I put there. And I put some orange washi tape here to kind of coordinate it, and a sticker here. I put that on. This is a picture of one of the towel animals from one of the nights, and it was dark. The pictures, the lighting wasn't the best, but it's some kind of a creature holding the remote. I thought that was really fun. So kudos to my steward. I can't even remember his name now. I should have wrote that down, but I neglected to write that down on my journaling, so I was kind of bummed about that. And this is another one of my excursion tickets. And I will probably cover that with cardstock on the back and journal or something on the back. And another one of my snapshot cards. And this one, we need more beach days. We definitely do. This was in one of these pouches when I got the journal, and I put the washi tape down and the cardstock in there, and it was a tattoo, and I put it on just like you would on your skin, and it worked perfectly. So that was a fun little thing. And day 8, day 9, and here I have addresses and well wishes from members of the retreat. So I paperclip these together so that you won't see the addresses. And here's another page I made from the cruise compass. So I just cut out the front here, and I didn't want to see all this stuff on the bottom, so I made a pocket just showing what I wanted to see. And then the back, I couldn't get it to cut and look nice, so I just covered it with cardstock. And then the snapshot is going to go on this little tag. I just haven't glued anything down yet. And my CPAS card is right here in this envelope, so held with the paper clip, so that's really fun. And then this pocket has room for more journaling. I'll probably put, you know, some of the more ship information on this. And this is my luggage departure tag and my boarding pass for my return flight. And then I have yet to add either pictures or paper clips and memorabilia on there. And the total cruise distance sailed was 2,614 miles. And then this book belongs to, and then my name here. So anyway, what a fun and clever swap item. And I mean, it took her months to do these, because like I said, she did 20, and amazing, right? So I had to share this with you. so that everybody could see what a wonderful thing that she did. And so anyway, I hope this inspires you though to just take an old book or something and make your own, cruise junk journal, document your cruise in a different way rather than just a photo album. I mean, I'm still going to do a photo album because I have some wonderful photos, but the photos don't always capture the memories of little things that happened on the ship or on your tours and the funny or quirky little things that happen when you're on vacation. Like my friend and I were making fun of people that were really badly sunburned, and that was really mean. But we were like, geez, why didn't they use sunscreen? And also the next day, some unforeseen events happened, and we got totally fried. So we were just like those people we were making fun of. So yeah, karma, people, karma. And but I mean that you can't really capture that in pictures. That has to be something written down. And so I'm glad to have this journal here to do that. And so anyway, I appreciate you watching and have a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe and thank you very much. Bye.